One of my favorite things for a new development to do is to not put the laundry in the basement because it's really nice. And, you don't want to feel like you're stuck in a basement while you're doing laundry. This laundry room's got a rooftop right next to it, and they're getting all new furniture here. So you can hang out while you're doing your laundry, or better yet, you can use the gym. So the laundry room is right there. And here you've got just a really basic gym, but it's got everything you need. And again, it's right off the rooftop. The thing is, the landlord could have put this on the first or second floor and used this space to make a really nice apartment with a really nice view and a nice balcony. But instead, they chose to use this as an amenity space, which just tells you a little bit about what the landlord's priorities are for their building.